Let's break down mission and vision into a step-by-step so that you can go create your initial version. And then, of course, we're going to build on it from there. And of course, you're going to get feedback. You're going to learn more. Your business is going to evolve. Lots of good things are going to happen, which make you change these. But it's always good to have a place to be starting from. So let's talk about mission first. In order to create your mission statement, I always start by identifying my core offering, meaning what is the action that I do? I do this, it leads to this. But fine, what is the action? Meaning, if you landed on the hero page of your website, so imagine you loaded up the homepage, even if you don't have a website yet, what is someone going to see? They're not going to see, we're changing the world for all humanity and alien species yet to come. It's like, that's not going to be there. You're going to say, we make charging your car faster. We enable a more frictionless consumer experience. We allow e-commerce shops to do whatever. We make consultants more productive and have happier lives. Whatever it is, you have a clear 1, 2, 3 sentence explanation of what actual action or value you provide. Homepage, or at least you should, in your mind. Start there. Next, we go down to what are the core values? Meaning, what is the core value that the customer receives when they get that action? Is it I get more productive, or I am more productive, so I live a better life, so I'm happier, so I make more money? These are all good things, but what do I care about, and what does the company care about? Are you doing it so that consultants, in a time productivity saving app, are you doing it so that the people using it can be more productive? Or are you doing it so they can spend more time at home with their families? Because you're like, work should be done at work. Family time, or home is for family. Like, you have this, again, more heartfelt, more connection-driven conversation that lets you express the value that you provide and the action that you take. We help you be more productive, leads to a happier home. Great, good start. Now you plug and play. So it's not that you're going to use these exact words, but you can kind of envision it in your head, and you can look up, and I encourage you to Google all of your favorite companies and see what their mission and vision statements are, and then you can plug and play there too. You can swap in your words, their words, combine two together. This is designed to kind of get you started because there's infinite paths that you can take once you pick. So our mission is to improve the productivity of the global workforce to enable less time at work and more time with family. Fine, because that's a real action. It's okay, we're going to do A, B, and C, and it leads to this. I get it, I understand, I feel motivated by it. Great start. Now let's talk about vision. So again, we're imagining that vision, just like point 1, is what the future looks like. It's your mission at scale. It's what happens 5 to 10 years, assuming that's right. Well, it's like to make home more happy, you know what I mean? Or to reduce the demands of work and increase the value of family, or to drive more time in leisure versus work, or something to that effect of, oh, if we do this over and over and over for millions and millions and millions of people, what does the world look like? Well, more people are working less hours and have more time for themselves. That's a great world, right? Or at least sounds like a world worth selling and trying to, put out there. Next is, what is your inspiration? What is it that you can message? Is it a global value of connection, community, family, happiness? Something that means that people globally from every race, religion, creed, and culture might go, yeah, that feels like it'd be a good thing. Now, of course, you're never going to get 100% uniformity. That's okay. We're talking about if you had to go on stage at a global summit that, is based in New York or whatever, and go, our vision is this, a world where, right? That's where we get to this plug and play creation. Our vision is to do X action at scale, so to make lives more, or make the global workforce more productive, which leads to a happier global familial ecosystem. Whatever, right? Whatever's relevant to you and your business. This is where you start to, again, that's right, that's not right, that feels cringe. Let's talk to someone. Oh, they resonate with that. Man, we didn't resonate with that word at all, but they really do. Well, I guess that does mean what we want. Like, notice we're learning, we're dialoguing already, and we just had to have, again, a C+ start to get started, and then learn and grow and develop over time. So hopefully this step-by-step of mission and vision gives you enough of the ABCs to get started and to actually have a place that you can begin to test from, learn from, and of course, ultimately improve from.